Hey, for those that don't know me, my name is Justice Mullins. I'm a manager at ADP, and I specialize with helping small businesses set up payroll systems. Today, in this very short video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Florida payroll tax IDs. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, Florida is a state that only has one payroll tax ID. There's no state income in Florida and no local jurisdictions to really worry about. They make a lot of their revenue off of tourism. So payroll is nice and easy. So there's no state income tax. You only need to get a state unemployment insurance number. Quick note about Florida, their state unemployment is also called, well, it's actually called Reemployment Tax in Florida. So a little bit of a political renaming there, but it's state unemployment or reemployment tax. It's managed by the Florida Department of Revenue. You can apply online, and it takes about 10 business days to have the number issued, at which point you would expect to receive a letter in the mail with your ID number on it. You can also call into the department after 3 to 5 business days from the time that you applied, and they will verbally tell you your ID number over the phone. So this is the link. I'll leave it in the description down below. It's a very simple application. You can find it here. You'll come in, click on create user profile. You'll enter a username. You'll confirm that username. You will enter your email address and you'll confirm the email address, and then you'll enter a password and then you'll confirm that password. At that point, you're going to receive an email. In the email, you'll click the link, and that will take you to the application, and that's where you begin. The application is about a 20-minute process. You'll just need to go through and answer the questions about your business. They'll ask you a bunch of questions about the nature of your business. If you have trouble with it or can't seem to get the proper liability determination, give us a call. I'd be happy to help. But that's really it. Like I say, after you finish the application, it's going to take about 10 business days for Florida to issue your state unemployment ID number. Other considerations, if you are starting a business in Florida, are going to be the franchise tax. So just be aware of that. If you're a sole proprietor or an LLC not electing to be taxed as a corporation, then you don't really need to worry about it. But if you're some other sort of entity like a corporation, nonprofit, etc., you might want to click on this link and go see what your requirements are there. But these are the steps to follow to get your one payroll tax ID number in Florida. Again, happy to be a resource if you need help. Thanks for watching.